run past all these cars. Cause I ain't got time. We on our way to the cycle gear meet. I was really debating if I want to go to this or not. I just woke up, so I was like, you know what? I'll go. See what's over there. Shoot a little video or something. Probably not going to be much, but it is Taco Tuesday, and people are probably going to Taco Tuesday stuff, but we'll see. My freaking chest hurts right now. Like, every time I breathe, like I exhale, it just stings. I don't know what the problem is, but my damn chest is hurting. But the pops are sounding nice on the bike right now. The pops are sounding absolutely amazing. But I mean, other than that, though, yeah. So we headed to this cycle gear. I mean, I don't know. I honestly don't know what to expect. I'm so tired. But hey, man, I gotta get these videos out for y'all, man. You see the consistency? If you haven't already, man, go ahead and drop a like, comment, and subscribe. On the road to 1K. Oh, man. I'm so tired. Oh, and I lost my lever guard, bro. Now I gotta get a new one, bro. Like, Jesus. So now I gotta order some new ones to come in. It's when I went to ride with Rafa and them. You guys probably see this video after that video. Got a lot of videos posted for you guys. Just haven't had the chance. I've been trying to spread out the videos at least a day or something. Bro, my chest hurts right now, dude. Hopefully this is a good turnout. I mean, it started at 5. I think it's from 5 to 8, 5 to 9. So we'll see. What's it looking like? Come on, let's go. Go. Let's go. We're gonna see what's all around here. Like Steadfast is out. The taco truck out here. Not that much people out here, I see. Not that much people, I see. But one way's out here somewhere. But other than that, it's not a lot of people. I'm just freaking tired, man. Oh, Jesus. I'm so tired. But I'm finna go inside and use the restroom.
I'm just recording.
Okay, business.
Yeah, I wasn't leaving.
On that,
Like, this bike, right? It has cruise control, wheelie control, traction control, engine braking, ABS, all the goodies for 600. Then it's so smooth and snappy. Like, it has like a lot of torque. When it's in the top end though, it's like I topped the I topped the Aprilia around like 150. But yeah, what the fuck? I'll be back. Alright, well, looks like we got here. We got my boy Lamar bike out here. Everything. We got another 636. Another one out here. 400 back there. We got some Yamahas out here and stuff. But there's all the people right here. See, thumbnail shot. Right there. There it is. But other than that, we got an SP out here. We got a ZX-XR. We got some more bikes around here. Staff Fast out here with their stuff. We got a Beamer, a 6. My bike's right there. We got a Beamer out here again. We got a beautiful Ducati right here, a V4. Man, look at that thing. Thing's so clean and nice, bro. So clean. Congratulations to the bro. Yeah, so clean. Then we got a V2 right here. I don't know, but all this right here, all the carbon stuff to the tail, so sick and everything. Clear clutch cover. We got a Jigsaw out here, Aprilia. Got an R1. I believe this is the 4R, which is crazy. We got a Beamer right here. Then we got a H2R. Alex brought it out. I'm surprised. He don't got slicks on it too. But man, look at that thing sitting pretty. That thing is like, look at all that color in that exhaust, man. All that color in there, bro. So sick, bro. With the carbon wheels on there, but it's just amazing, bro. Then we got another 10 out here, a R1. Then we have, I don't know what that is. Oh my god, they have playing music over here. Then we got a 500 R7 out here. Then we got a ZX-XR out here. We got taco trucks out here and everything. Look at the boat right here. Got some Harleys back here and stuff. You know, they come out and once in a while and everything. But yeah, man. We got the boy here, King Josh R1 out here with the R1. With the, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but that's like a little honeycomb in there. It's pretty sick, everything. And we got a R1, R6, I believe. We got a Beamer, my bike right here. But yeah, we got some more people pulling in. Looks like a Passion, BMW. But other than that, I mean, it's a nice little meet, nice little spot. I don't know how long to be here still for. We got a CF Moto out here too. So y'all back here as well. We got another RR as well. I don't know. I just gonna pay that much, bro. I can't pay 10 grand for a 400. I just couldn't do it. But eating that, that's probably gonna be it for today's video, though. If you haven't already, go ahead, drop a like, comment, and subscribe for me, and I'll catch you at the next one, man. Peace.